Hello everyone, I'm Sümeyye. I'm a student at Bogazici University. My department is Primary Mathematics Education. This semester I took a course which is called Instruction Technologies and Materials Development. In this course we prepared a web-based portfolio. I will show you first and then I will show you off one of my projects which is Learning Adventure. Let's see web-based portfolio. On the first page you can see information about myself. On the second page you can see meaningful learning. Here is a reflection on meaningful learning and references. On the second page, instructional activities according to standards. I have two activities and evaluations. And the third one is it has two headings, which has digital natives. First, in this page, I prepared an animation you can watch here, and the script of the animation here, and also the reflection. And the other one is communication newsletter. You can read the activity here, and also you can read the reflection here, and also references. The other one is creativity and innovation. You can read the reflection and activities. Here again we have two activities. The other one is learning adventure. I will mention about it at the end of the video. You can read my learning adventure here and reflection here. The last one is reflections. You can read general reflection about this course here, and you can reach my all reflections from this link. Now I want to show you my learning adventure task. Let's start. This is my learning adventure task. The aim of is to teach students data processing with interactive learning tool which is Articulate. We have 5 sections which are, as you can see here, students can see how to reach them. Here you should click the buttons in the left to go to the sections. Let's start. In the first part, introduction part, I gave explanation about myself and the task. After they finish the section, they will click to continue, and they see whether they completed the section or not. As you can see, they completed it. In the second part, I gave some questions to students so that they can think critically. In the first question, I want them to think about what they already do, and I said that actually you are doing data processing. And then I gave 2 questions to think about properties of data processing, but they don't know yet. After that, I gave objectives to students. You can click here, and again, they completed on this part. On the third section, which is hook, I want students to have enjoy. So I prefer to use did you know part. Let's click yes and let's click no. Then I gave some information about where data is used. It provides them to think that data is everywhere. I want to mention about, and again, they can visit here if you wonder about it. This is website. And let's continue. And I want to mention about the website because it's interesting for students. After those, I gave 2 games to students. Thanks to these games, students can have enjoy, but they are not just enjoying. So, after they play games, they have some duties. You can see here, after they played the game at least 3 times, share your best score with your friends to this link in the Padlet, as you can see, and go to the game here, fishing game. This is second game. And after completed this, at least 15 questions in the game, think about where you had difficulty while answering questions of the game and share their explanation in Edmodo, as you can see here, and go to the game. This is game here, and this part is completed. In the explore section, which is so important because students explore and learn the topic. Are you ready to explore it? Yes. And let's go to the tutorial and see tutorial. Let's learn data processing as 3 headings. Let's click each of them. First, I gave some explanation about the research question. And then I gave sample examples here, yes or no. And I gave feedback students, and I gave a video to watch it. After watching it, they create an example of a good research questions and share your questions in Padlet here and give feedback to questions of your friends. Go to the video here, they can watch here and they can exit here. In the second part, which is proper community, I gave an explanation about proper community again, and I gave an example, and I gave a website to visit. In this website, they will find this heading, and they are responsible to look at this part above only. If they are interested in other things in the website, they may also look at them. After visiting the website, they write a reflection about 2 tools or methods which you like the most. This is website. You can see. And this one is and. The last one is creating table. I gave some information about this. After this, they may create a table and it is a bar chart as online here. This part is and. Let's go to the task. This is my task. I have a problem and I ask, can you help me? Yes. This is question. And I have 2 lists here. I have to reach all of them. Now, if I didn't know the questions, I ask help. The research question should be asked from community, and let's submit. It's correct and false. And you can see I gave 2 and true again, correct. Bar chart, collecting data. Let's check to list. As you can see, 4 and submit. It is and correct. Now we have all tools. Let's go back explore, and we have completed here. And now it's time to take a quiz. Go to the quiz. We corrected all. Let's exit. We have completed this part. Let's continue. The last one is show what you know. In this part, they should complete a task. They will do it as a group of 3 people, and they have 2 weeks for this project. And I gave 3 topics, and they choose whatever you want. And these are they have to do, and they should move to yellow button, and these are their duties, which has more explanation. And this is the end of my task. You can click the exit button, and this is last.